Brian Errett, I'm the co-founder of MobileMedTek, and this is our prototype device. We're calling it the Electrotech for now. It's probably going to change again. So anyway, what it is it condenses 5 different diagnostic tests into one unit. It'll do EKG, EEG, EMG, nerve conduction, and evoked potentials. We are utilizing the iPad for our application and more or less our delivery method. The hardware device is in here in the lid. It will be poured basically in the lid and be fixed to the lid and be able to be unscrewed here to access all the circuitry. It will be directly hardwired to the iPad, so there will be no using Bluetooth or anything. It'll be very, very reliable in terms of the information going from here to here. We have 5 custom harnesses that will be in a card slot. Each card will be coded for each test, so it will tell the application which test to open up. And another thing that we're going to do with, for instance, this is an EEG harness. This is an existing EEG harness that's on the market right now. As you can see, there's 30 wires that you have to plug in one at a time. Well, ours will just go down to a single port here, which will plug in, obviously saving time. With these harnesses currently, they have to clean these tips with a very corrosive material. If you get it on your glove, get it on your skin, it will eat through your skin. What we're doing is we're developing an interchangeable tip. They have to throw away a $400 harness every 3 or 4 times that they use it. So we're developing interchangeable tips that snap on and snap off, disposable after every use, so there's no cleaning. You just pop it on, pop it off. And we're also developing a coating to go on the wires that will create a gummy substance to where all you'll have to do is slide a slip ring up it and the harness will come back together, and then you peel off each lead almost like a Twizzler, back, how they used to be. You peel off each lead as you need it. So that's pretty much it. Here's a screenshot of the software. That'll be like what an EEG will look like. So again, it'll have the various tests up on the side. This live link button is our real-time data feature. Everything is going to be able to be audio and speech-to-text dictation as the test goes. So you can just say notes and start talking, and it will type in what you're saying in here and also save it as an audio file that can be listened to down the road. Obviously, it has all the good features of the Apple devices with pinch and zoom and scrolling. We're going to have a time bar down here that you can fast forward 24 hours if you wanted, if it was a 24-hour test. So,
excellent. Do you have an idea about your business model for customers?
Yeah, our first target will be obviously neurologists. 4 of the 5 tests are neurology based, so neurologists will be the first target. Obviously, ones affiliated with hospitals are going to be the main client, and then we've opened up to home health, long-term care, disaster response scenarios like the Red Cross, Doctors Without Borders, a couple of those organizations.
Price point?
We're doing something totally different than what's currently being done. What we're doing is our upfront fee is only going to be $3,000 to $4,000, and then it's going to be a subsequent monthly charge of $960 a month per unit over a 3-year contract. So that makes it a much more affordable, for somebody to get this in and start using it.